Discover how past life experiences may be influencing your present, clear limiting beliefs that block your success, and align your energy to create the future you desire at the new Realign, Reset, and Manifestation Live online global video webinar workshop with Marilyn Devonish. This unique online workshop is your chance to release emotional baggage, reset your mindset, and map out a powerful vision for yourself. Grab this opportunity to clear, align, and thrive. The workshop is a blend of past life regression, access consciousness, Huna Energy Clearing, the future life progression, ultimate best version of you process, and the energetic goal setting. Designed to help release the weight of the past, rewire current limiting beliefs, and step confidently into your present and future. This is a live video webinar run by Marilyn Devonish, the NeuroSuccess coach and rapid transformation specialist. Check the video description for the live webinar date. If you can't make the date, you can purchase access to the replay recording. The $32 early booking pre-launch price for my e-newsletter subscribers ends soon. You can book thereafter or purchase the replay recording. It will just be at a substantially higher price. For further details about the workshops, online programs, consultancy, and corporate training services, and the global online coaching and therapy sessions offered by Marilyn Devonish, go to her main website, transformationstm.com. You can also sign up for her e-newsletter via the homepage of the website. Click the red What's New button for a quick overview of forthcoming events. Thank you for watching. If you are watching on YouTube, remember to like and subscribe, and feel free to share this video with others who can benefit from these services. Wishing you all a fabulous rest of your morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are in the world. Check back regularly for new and updated content. I look forward to working with you at the Realign, Reset, and Manifestation Workshop.